कितने यात्री इससे प्रभावित हुए हैं और कितने को नुकसान हुआ है, ये मंत्री महोदय बताएं। जब एक इंडियन एयरलाइंस की हालत है तो जितने एयरलाइंस हैं उनमें कितना
माननीय मंत्री जी
हुई है और कितने लोग प्रभावित हुए हैं। एक इंडियन एयरलाइंस का क्या?
माननीय सदस्य जब एक बार पूछ ले तो माननीय मंत्री जी।
सर, ये क्वेश्चन वैसे एयर इंडिया के हिसाब से पूछा गया था, तो उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन हमने दिया था सर। वैसे जो कैंसिलेशन और डिले की जब बात आती है तो अप्रैल और जून के बीच में, बिटवीन अप्रैल एंड जून ऑफ दिस ईयर, ओवरऑल सर ये, क्योंकि ये विषय केरला के संबंधित था तो उसी का इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी रखा है। बाकी दूसरे पूरे देश का हो तो आप ज़रूर आपको बताएंगे, बाद में उसका भी वो सर्कुलर लेंगे। पर इसके हिसाब से सर अप्रैल में कैंसिलेशंस कुल मिलाकर 14 हुआ है सर अप्रैल में, मई में 132 हुआ है और जून में 18। तो पूरे मिलाकर तीनों महीनों में 164 कैंसिलेशंस हुए।
श्री केसी वेणुगोपाल।
The delay of the flights, especially Air India and other flights, also become the order of the day nowadays. Being a member of Parliament of Kerala, so many people are living in Middle East who are suffering through these delays. Sometimes the flight has been cancelled without any information. That there is no cancellation charges also not giving to the customer. Once it is cancelled, his amount is also gone. Whether the government is studied these things and whether the government is forming to set up a system to monitor all these cancellations and what action the government is going to take. And then one more thing, sir. The fees also. This our Kerala government themselves already given a memorandum to yourself. Entire MP has given memorandum so many times that the fare of the Gulf fare sector, the fare is very exorbitantly high. There is no justification. All over in the same pattern is there, exorbitant high. Whether any mechanic.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, Air India, the honorable member who has raised, the senior member who has raised regarding the cancellations, and we acknowledge the fact that there has been one issue with the Air India Express, not Air India, sir, Air India Express, especially in the month of June. On May 7th of this year, sir, there are a lot of the crew with Air India Express, because it was merging with Air Asia. There was some internal issues that have cropped up, and there was a mass strike that has happened. Because of the strike, which is why there were a lot of cancellations that have happened also, and this we have seen in the month of May. And in fact, the earlier answer that I have given, the number of cancellations, there was a huge spike in May because of this issue. And once this issue started, it was a ministry which got involved, the DGCA facilitated a lot of discussions between the airlines, the crew members and everything. It was sorted, sir. But because of the gap that which for the 3 days, when the cancellations, when the crew was not functioning, there was another software glitch also which happened. Because of this software glitch, the crew member data which was supposed to be with the airlines, there was some problem with that, and then manually they were trying to enter. And so for everything to get back to normalcy, there was some time. But right now we are ensuring that there are no cancellations or no delays happening in the flight system. And like you have mentioned, sir, there are civil aviation requirements also. There are already regulations and guidelines which are in place, which will ensure that whenever there is a delay happening or a cancellation happening, and if the airline is not following the regulations that are being set up by the ministry, then the ministry gets involved, and it is ensuring that they get the refund or reaccommodation or readjustment done in other flights. And I'd like to take an example also. Recently, when Air India was not, when observed, we investigated and we observed that Air India was not following a certain guideline. We have penalized them for 10 lakh rupees. And this Air India Express incident also, this strike incident which has happened, DGCA is going into depth. It is investigating the issue. If there seems to be any non-compliance from the airlines, then definitely we are going to penalize them and ensure that the passenger is the top priority.
Shri Praveen Patel.